basically I have lime juice here. That's 1/2. Here's the other half. I have 1/2 and I have 1/2 Maggie over here. That was the food. I'm not gonna eat 1/2, so probably 1/4 of a lime. I mean of the Maggie. Fine, really fine with the once you finish you doing that, what I have here, I have carrots, I have cabbage, and finally, I have peppers, hot peppers, and I have onions. You can add other, but I'm gonna show you how you can add other stuff in there too. And we prefer to be like many colors of this is the color and I usually put red onions too, make it look prettier. Okay, you can do it with many colors or just one color. You can preferably do the red onions and just try to get this. That's basically it. What you do. You can buy